So today the practice will be how long do my 3 drones fly. So I will guess that when you ask me up front, the Neo 2 will be the shortest, then it will be the Flip and then the Mini 5. But I'm really not sure. So I'm gonna just fly, do nothing special, and then see how long they last. I will return when they reach low battery, so the controller will auto return to home. So the home pod is already set. So let's take them off and fly. So there's a really strong wind. For the first time I brought my windshield, so hopefully it will reduce the amount of wind you will hear. So you can fly in FPV mode, I never done that. I don't know where it is. Control, oh, fly FPV. So let's fly in FPV mode. And for so far my plan. So the plan sounded simple, but of course it's a plan. And you know, when you plan something, it can fail. So what actually happened was my Neo 5 did do his flight for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and that was all fine. When I flew my Mini 5, it started to rain. Yeah, you can't plan everything. But what happened to the Flip was really strange. It flew for a little bit less than half an hour. And then when I tried to return to home, it raises until the maximum limit and then even gone to 130 meters. I could not control it anymore with the controller. Yeah, and the only thing I could do was watch and hope that I could see where it landed. So luckily, you can make sure that it beeps and says where it is. So I followed the map on the controller and at the end I found it. Get the drone beeping. So look, I found it. So first, it's still beeping. It's starting to rain. I don't know why it did it. So very interesting. I still have no clue what happened, but for some reason it just fell out of the sky. Of course, you can plan stuff. I did not plan this. So I think it's a really interesting video because this can also happen to you when you try to fly with your drone. In this case it was my Flip, so not my most expensive one. I still have no clue what happened. I will retry it this week. Hopefully it will not rain so I can continue the test in a normal way. I first have to test if my Flip still works. Maybe there's a complete malfunction or maybe it was just a temporary glitch. But at the end it stays electronics. So it can fail. So I hope this was interesting. For me it was a big learning, and see you in the next video.